Okay, GoPro down 13%, but lucky we done. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, where I love and enjoy doing what I like doing best, and that's messing with these cars in my backyard. And as you can see, I got my mask on because it's time for a little painting. So it's going to be one of those little painting videos where I just paint some paint and end the video like that. So let's go take a look around. So y'all see her? She's still sitting here from the last time I put the struts on. Got to air that tire up. Still got to do some PDR on the other hood, the newer hood. Got dents in it, but that'd be next off camera. I gotta make a video every weekend, but here's the fenders. They got some dents and dings. It's got a dent right there, a ding up there. This one pretty good, no dents or dings. Front bumper, I dropped it. It is being adhesion promoted, so I already sprayed 2 coats of adhesion promoter on it. And it's dry. Might scuff it down and wipe it down again, because I got some overspray from the adhesion promoter. I had the fan going. We got Bob's Discount Furniture over here, dropping off my wife's $2,500 love seat. Then got to wait for the $2,500 couch to come in. Altogether, it was $5,000 something dollars. $5,700 something dollars, almost $6,000 for a couch and love seat. But we're about to get down, throw some paint on this, so we'll be able to end this video real quick, because I got other stuff I need to be doing. But still got to get this car done.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
All right, now it's time for some color. Base coat. I got 2 coats on there. It's all dried up. As I was doing other stuff, I scuffed it down again and tack clothed it to get most of the dirt out, because I do get dirt in there from painting in the garage. No matter how much water you put on the floor, I still get dirt. There's always some stuff floating in the air in here. So let's hit it with some base coat. Okay, almost finished. Got my 2 coats of base. As always, GoPro about to go dead. 31% life. Hopefully this video ain't all that long. Yeah, this the fender with the damage. Things right there, try to get them out. Big ding right here, another ding right there, try to get it out. This car ain't gonna be perfect. Car does have 182,000 miles. We just repairing the front end damage. Not all of it. What you can't see won't hurt you. I ain't replacing the crash bar. So it's now gonna hit her with some clear. Okay, GoPro down 13%, but lucky we done. Got it all done with one battery. I didn't put no clear under here because that's usually get scraped up anyway, so I wasn't wasting no clear. But we got 2 coats of clear. I see the first coat I put on there real fast, so it'll tack up, so I can shoot it, so I can put it on thicker the second time. So I won't have no clear coat runs. I still got dirt, bugs, everything in the paint as usual. But it's gonna make that car look 10 times better. With new slightly used fenders that's not rusted out like the other ones were. If y'all new to this channel. So that fender, passenger side fender, took a hit. And it was rusty at the bottom. Driver side fender was just rusty at the bottom. Right there. So, why would you change both of them? Still gotta get that hood in here and get it painted. Might be off camera, because once these dry, I'll probably be making another video. I'll put these parts on, because the hood go on last anyway. Need to get the fenders on so you can get the core support, the header panel in, because the header panel go over the fenders. So the fenders gotta be on and put the header panel on. And I thought I got through this, but the battery just went dead. It was over with, baby. This is all is over with, but yeah, it's gonna be over with now. I was trying to be fast, quick, and in a hurry. But I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all would, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers. We truly appreciate it. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this. I'm going to say share the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when they release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and sometimes we take donations of cars locally. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. With all that, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up